Alright, what's up guys? So today, I'm working on my Volvo XC90. It's my daily driver. I didn't really want to race the Accord or my BMW out. So, you gotta have your rice area at some time, so I'm gonna just do it on this car. And I'm putting a cold air intake on it that I got from, Advanced Auto Parts. It cost me 40 bucks. It's kind of cool, generic things I say all the time. And I didn't really know the size of my MAF that I'm going to bolt it up to. So it comes with 3, 3.5, and 4-inch diameters. So, if I didn't guesstimate right, I could just put a different thing on. So, let's continue. So, I did the PCV service on it like a week ago, and I messed that up, so I have to go back in there and get new. They sent me the wrong pipe, FCP Hero did, which kind of made me mad. So I had to, can you guys see? No. But I'm gonna unbolt it with a focus, please. I guess you guys can't see, but it's a T25 Torx. I already loosened this one up before I started filming, so pretty cool. You know what? I'm gonna give you guys a before and after, so you guys can see how this thing sounds, and if this modification actually does something. So, let me start it up. Alright, so that's what it sounds like just at idle. It's gonna drop down like right now. I think something's wrong with the timing belt tensioner with that sound. It reminds me of my Mark II Jetta that had a bad timing belt tensioner. And the guy said that if you put the previous owner said you put a timing belt on at 200,000 miles right before I bought it. I just had to trust him, I guess. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. So I need a new parking brake, because, it doesn't work. I'm gonna not edit me rambling, talking, because that's too much work. But that's what it sounds like. I'm guessing you probably heard the belt mostly, so just pretend I have a supercharger. And I left my power tools at work, so this is gonna take a while. And there's 2 clips down here. Let me see if you guys can see. There's a clip here and a clip here. You just have to unclip them to get the top of the box off. That's my cool tip of doing this. I don't know if it's gonna work. I did basically zero research. So, pray for me, guys. I hope it does work. Okay, and then this thing should just come up and away. Hello? This thing is not supposed to be loose like this. I don't know why it is. I might edit this out because it's embarrassing. But whatever. See, there's the math screen right there. Ow. Watch your hands when you take this off. There, I got it off. Isn't that so cool, guys? Let me move this over. Tilt this up a bit. Stay up, light. I have this stupid work light that doesn't really work that well. Well, look how dirty this thing is. I bet this thing's never been cleaned. 202,000 miles. I cleaned the top of the box, put a little smiley face on it. You guys can see it there. But yeah. Oh crap. This little snorkel right here goes into this box right here. And because I pulled it out like that, it came loose. See if try to sneak it back in. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to undo these bolts right here. Alright, here's the Husky tool set that I have. It's really good for going to the junkyard, because it comes with an adapter in box for 1/4 inch, and you just get a 3/8 ratchet, which I don't need right now. And it's missing a 10 and a 17. Classic. This one should be it. Hope you guys are enjoying this so far. You know, it's just something to like wake up, put a little YouTube on, watch some idiot kid work on his XC90, because, you know, why would someone want to modify this thing? And the one person that actually watches this channel, I know my channel's not big, you're going to be wondering, why didn't you do more work on the CB7? Where's the CB7? Well, I'm trying to fix the high idle, and it turned out to be the, dang, look how good my BMW looks right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like the little purplies and pinks off the sun hitting it. Looks really good. Hides all the scratches that are in it. What was I talking about? Yeah, CB7. So, my dad and I went to the junkyard today looking for parts. Couldn't find the part. It was a fast idle thermal valve. The little plastic donut thing in it, broken. There's like a hole in it. And so that's probably why I was idling so high, because it was like acting like a vacuum leak. So we went to the forums and tried to see if you're able to block it off, like just delete it, like people delete IACVs, and people do delete them. So we're gonna delete ours, and that's gonna be cool. Should I even keep this? That's the real question. Because if I just have this right here, will I get cold air? Would I get cold enough air? Maybe I could take this off and just keep this. Because, like, this is just annoying. I'm gonna take it off. Let's take it off, okay? Fine with cold. So this is the real cold air intake, guys. So when people put these cone filters on thinking it's going to add power, I doubt it. Because, like, maybe something like not as restrictive as this. You see how that's bent in? Probably not, but like most cars have like good air systems.
I just want cool turbo noises. What the hell is that? I just want cool turbo noises. Because who doesn't like a good drop stupid tutu?
Right? Right. Okay. So now we're taking the lower box out. Interesting. This is a little butt flap that farted out. I'm sorry. And now I've already been in here, so I've already cleaned it, so I'm not gonna clean it again. But now there's supposed to be a clamp on here, and there's not, which kind of worries me. I mean, it's held on. Now it's air filter time. This is gonna be so cool, guys. Maybe it'll remove the sound of the screaming. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? Maybe it'll remove the sound of my screaming tension. You guys think it will? No. And that's going to be a big pain in the butt doing that thing. Alright. What fool was just texting me? Do I need to loosen this more? Do these come out? Whoa. Sorry guys, you couldn't see that, but look. This is what they meant. So if you got the wrong size, they have these things to put it on. But I think this small one is this size. So I'm not gonna lube it up. And I don't want to touch it because, you know, I'm worried. I'm scared. Whatever. I know I seem like a real idiot here, but I promise I'm not. Maybe when it comes to cars I am. You know what, we're just gonna put it on. That's the great thing about reversible mods. You know that? Oh. Alright, sorry about that cut, guys. My memory card died. But I got it on. It's floppy now. So I think I might just put the lower box in. Just the lower box. This thing was a pain in the ass to put on. I don't know if I had like 3.25 inches on my MAF sensor, and that's why it didn't work. But I put the 4.5 inch one in. I put the 3 inch one right here, and then I put the middle in between on here as well, and then I slid this on, and that worked. No, I put the 3 inch on here, then clamp this on, and that seems to hold. Absolutely a pain to put on, but you know, it looks cool now. I look like I have a cool car. Who am I kidding? But you know. I might as well just put that thing in too, right? Right? No. We'll leave it like this for now. If I need the extra air, I'll put it in. But that's how it's looking now. Let me start. on that, but you can definitely hear it. That is so cool. I got turbo noises, extra turbo noises. Let me give you a couple revs before my thing dies. This thing is so cool. Alright, well, there, it's done. It sounds cool. I'll drive with it for a little bit, see how it works out. It's definitely louder. Like, insanely loud. I'll get a video of driving with it, so you can hear it under load and everything. Because if you want to hear a stock one, just watch the stock video. Because I don't have that. Because I modified mine. But, you know, it's dark now. Because of how long that took. What a pain. But hopefully I'll have this video up by tonight. And you guys could see. I'm such a racer now. Exhaust next. Bye. Oh my goodness, man. Listen to that. Oh my, that is so obnoxious. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Did you guys hear that? I don't know if you guys heard that.